back to a new video on my channel. In this video, I'm gonna bring you guys along a little POV. I am in my healing era. I have been feeling very anxious lately, and I just wanted to remind you guys that if you're having a bad day or a bad couple of days, that does not mean that you have a bad life and that you have to be miserable about your life. That is not the case whatsoever. So that is why in this video, I'm going to be trying to make myself feel better and feel less anxious, and I'm gonna take you guys along. So don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, so I just finished doing a little bit of shopping and I'm going to give you guys a little haul. Okay, first thing is Nike. So at Nike, I just got this sports bra because I really am in need of new sports bras. I barely have any. And I bought this one. It's so cute. It's like a beautiful navy blue color. Like, I don't know if you could like see it, but it looks like this. I love it. It's something new. Like, I've never had like anything this type of color, and I actually love this color. Next, in Sephora, I got a couple of things. I actually went kind of crazy because I've been wanting new things from Sephora for the longest time, and I just never did it. I never bought what I wanted. I just kept waiting, and I was like, no, I don't need it. No. Today, I decided to treat myself. I literally exploded, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get whatever I want, and this is what I want. Okay, first, I got this little set of Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I've been wanting this setting spray for so long. And the girl at Sephora that helped me was so nice. Like, I've never encountered a nice Sephora worker that actually wants to help you, because they all just want to like sell the best product to you. But this one was actually so nice, and it's perfect because if I need to travel or anything, this will fit. So I love this. Next, I got the mini in the Glow Recipe toner. I've been wanting to try this toner for so long, but I just don't want to get the big one because I don't think I need it. I just want to try it. And so I got the little one. Then I got a small of the Star Glow, the drops, the bronzing drops, because I don't want to get the big one. Like I said, I don't really need it. I just got minis of everything because I just want to try it. Like, if I like it, then I could always like return it and get the bigger one, or just get a bigger one next time. But I want to try them so badly because I feel like I'm so pale, and I don't know, I just really want to try them. Then I got the Summer Fridays lip balm in vanilla beige vanilla, and I like saw it and I tried it. It was so good, and it smells so good. I love it, and the packaging is literally everything. I'm literally obsessed. I had to get it, and I also have been eyeing this for a really long time. And then last but not least, I just got this lip liner in the Sephora collection thing because I don't really want anything crazy. It's literally just lip liner, so I don't think you need anything crazy. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out. So yeah, that's all I got, and now I'm gonna go back home. But that was a very successful little shopping experience. I also went to Hollister because I really want to get new jeans, but I didn't find any jeans that I liked, even though they had like all the sales going. So I'm very mad that I didn't find anything that I liked, but I'm gonna go somewhere soon to get new jeans because I really want new blue jeans because I'm tired of mine. So yeah, but we still had a little successful shopping experience, so yeah. Relax and let them just sit. They feel so relaxing. I don't know why, I just like love the feeling of them. They kind of burn, honestly. Like right now, like they're kind of burning, so like it feels like relaxing because they're kind of like wet and they're like slimy, so it feels like kind of like funny, but like in a good way. But right now it's burning. I don't know why it's burning. Hopefully it's not like a problem, but I'm just gonna let them sit. On the box it says to let them sit for like 20 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. But honestly it's kind of burning, so if it burns too much, I'm gonna take them off sooner, but okay, so retail therapy is a way of helping me like feel better when I'm not like feeling okay or whatever, or like just to make me happier. So the other day I went to the mall and I saw a shirt that I loved, but they didn't have my size. So I ordered it online and it just arrived. So I'm gonna show you guys. So as you can see, it's from Abercrombie and Fitch. I love the material, like it's so soft. I love Abercrombie and Fitch. I'm a really big fan. And this shirt, it's basically just like a black long sleeve, like it's super basic. But I love the material, kind of like ribbed, but it's like a cozy, like soft material. Like it's thin, so it's like the perfect, like for like Miami, like in the winter of Miami, like this is what we wear, like super thin, but like long sleeve vibes. And I'm going on a little trip, so I'm very excited. And I got this shirt. I have to try it on and see if it's like my size. I got a medium, which I'm never a medium, but I don't know, I feel like they run kind of small, so I got a medium. It was kind of pricey for like just a black long sleeve, but it's definitely worth it. It looks kind of long, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be like this, and it kind of like goes like that, but this is what it looks like. Honestly, I feel like it's like big. Like I feel that it's big, but I tried on the small in another color because I didn't even have a small either. They only had extra small or large. So I tried on a small in another color, like the same shirt in another color. And like it fit me, but it was kind of like tight, but I could still wear it like if I wanted to, but like I just didn't want to be like uncomfortable. So I decided to get the medium, which, okay, first of all, like these shorts don't match. Like I'm not like wearing the appropriate thing, but I don't know, I feel like it's just like a basic long sleeve. Like I can't go wrong. It's supposed to be like baggy in the front like this, but it's very comfortable and it's just like cozy. But I feel like this is like kind of long. I don't know, I could always like return it or like exchange it for another size, so I'm just gonna like try it on tomorrow, maybe like with a bra and like an actual outfit, and see how it feels, how it looks. But for now, this is what it looks like. Let me know if you guys like it or if I should get like a smaller size. But yeah. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but I've been looking for purses. So I bought the other day, like online, I was just browsing and I bought 3 purses, but I don't know why I've only received 2, which is kind of weird because it's like I bought them at the same time from the same brand. So I'm guessing that like a second package is coming with the 3rd purse. But I got 1 in black, 1 in white, and 1 in brown. I'm waiting for the white one. The black one I didn't like, so I'm gonna return it. But it looks like this. It looks like very cheap and I don't like it. And also it's very like long here, and this is way too big. Like it's just not it. Like it's not cute. But the white one is so cute. I'm so excited for it to come. I'm like waiting for it. But this is the brown one. Kind of like a chocolatey vibe. It's not like the cutest, but like it's different. Like I've never seen anything like it. And it's just like simple. Like it's just like a little brown purse. Like you can't really go wrong with it. And if I just want to be basic and not use this, I could just like turn it and like wear it like this, you know? So this is like whatever. And then the white one is pretty cute. I'm waiting for it. Hopefully it looks as good as it looks in the pictures on the website. But yeah, I've just been on a little like online shopping mood. And also I want to buy something else online, and I was actually thinking about buying it tonight because there's a sale on the website. But I'm not really like in the mood to online shop right now. Like I have to be inspired, because if not, then I regret it. And I don't want to do like, you know, those people that like online shop at night and then like they regret everything that they're buying because they're like delusional because it's like 2 a.m. Yeah, I don't want that to happen to me right now because I'm just not in the mood. And I've been buying a lot of stuff, so I have to relax. Also, I got a new phone case. I've just been buying a lot. Maybe I need to like relax. But you know, retail therapy, because lately my brain not okay. Someone tell me to stop because my bank account is gonna start crying very soon. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I bought because I feel like I don't really show you guys. Anyways, before before closing out this video, I just wanted to tell you guys that if you're going through something and you're trying to heal from whatever you're going through, or you're just going through a hard time, or you're sad, whatever it is that you're going through, just know that you are strong and that you're not alone. A lot of people hide their sadness and their emotions, and they just act like they're perfectly fine, or they use people to get over something or whatever it is. But just know that you're not alone, and it is okay to not feel happy all the time. Like, that's not realistic, and we just have to try to like live in the moment and be as happy as we can, because we have to appreciate the little things in life, and not everything is going to be happy all the time and stuff. Like, obviously we go through hard times as well, and it's completely normal. We're all human. So I just wanted to let you know that I hope you heal and just do things that make you happy and that bring you like something good. Like, for example, doing self-care is so like beneficial, and I just love doing self-care. Like, I love taking care of myself. I love like doing my skincare, like just being clean, smelling good, taking a nice long shower, listening to music in the shower, like whatever it is that just makes you feel good and makes you happy in the inside. That is what's gonna help you heal, and that's what helps me heal, at least. So that's what I tried doing in this video, and just to get my spirits up. Also, obviously retail therapy helps, but I feel like it's momentary. Like, you have to do things that actually will like do like something good for you, like in the long run, not just like, oh, like I'm gonna buy myself something and like cure my sadness and like be happy. But like, that's gonna be momentarily. Like, that you're only gonna be happy for like a period of time. Like, that's not like a long-term thing. But like, little by little, like journaling, like letting your thoughts out, like doing your skincare, like those things actually help you like little by little. So yeah, I hope that this video kind of like helped you and made you feel like less alone, because I know that sometimes you could like see people online and maybe like think about people and be like, oh, like I wonder if like they're sad, or like I wonder if they're like having fun, whatever, like, you know. So you just have to focus on yourself and just do things that make you a better person. Don't worry about like the outside noise. Just focus on you and you becoming a better person and healing. You are the person that you have to love the most, and you have to take care of yourself to love yourself and to be happy in the inside. And we're all in this together. We are in this game of life, and we just have to live it little by little, however it goes for each of us. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this video was helpful and inspiring. I feel like you guys really enjoy these like self-help videos, and I definitely enjoy making them. So let me know if you want me to film more, and I'll see you guys very soon.